All right, happy Tuesday, geometry students. It's Miss Nelson with her update video. This is going to be assignment number 6. So just a couple things before I start here. Just pay close attention if you want to get the maximum points, which is going to be 10 points for this assignment. If I say, that you must explain your answer, then make sure that you explain your answer, okay? So just don't circle. So for example, your first question is going to be on page 88. You're going to do question number 363. You must explain your answer when you get your choice, okay? So that's the first question. I will post this as well. Then you're going to do page 90. Go to page 90. Page 90, you're going to do question number 369, and you must show your work for this one. So make sure you show your work, okay? I'm not giving you a lot of questions to do today, but your grade's going to be dependent on that you follow directions and you show your work, okay? So that's page 90. The next page is going to be page 94. So if we go to page 94... Page 94, you're going to do questions 383 and 384, and you must explain, just jot a few words down. Doesn't have to be a lot, but you have to explain to me why you chose what you did, okay? You can use your notes. You can look up things. I just, just make sure it's your own work, okay? I'm not trying to be, really crazy with taking off points, but just make sure that you're, if I say to explain, make sure you're explaining, okay? Oh, by the way, there's dog number 1 and dog number 2. He's been barking out the window every time the UPS guy comes by. Really, that's Gunner. He's like a little barker. Okay, back to our work. I digress here. Okay, so page 94, you're doing those two. And then you're going to go to page 101. So let's go to page 101. If I can here. 101. Okay, on page 101, you're just going to do question number 415. Now this one I have actually set up for you. It's right triangle ECF. And they're saying that the hypotenuse is EF. So that's why this is the hypotenuse of this big triangle. And then we have an altitude. This is the altitude that's drawn to EF. So that's an altitude. So we've got the EC is 10. EF is 24. And you have to find ED. So I would suggest to use either boomerang or heartbeat for this one. So make sure you show your work. I want you to show your work and then pick an answer, okay? So I've got you started on this one. You're going to have to finish it by showing probably either heartbeat or boomerang down here and then showing you how you got your answer, okay? And then the last question is on page 117. 117, so go to there. 117, and you have to do question number 490. Obviously, you have to explain. Explain. Okay, it does say explain. So just enough, like a sentence or two. It doesn't have to be crazy, a lot. You're doing question number 490 on page 117. Okay, a lot of you have found that if you wait till later in the night, like I would say after 7, 8 o'clock, it tends to be a little crazy, the internet. So maybe think about posting a little earlier in the day. If you can't get on, I'm going to make the due date to be 11:59 p.m. tonight. No worries. Don't worry about it. I'm not going to mark anything late or, go crazy with the credit. So taking off credit. So there's that. I got a lot of good response from the extra credit, and you guys are really talented. So I'll probably do something like that maybe tomorrow, not maybe every day, because it sort of gets crazy for me to have to grade those and your regular assignments. But you guys are doing awesome, and I miss all of you. I miss all of you. Okay, So do a good job on this assignment. Take your time. This isn't a crazy, crazy one. So, and if you got any questions, just message me, okay? Have a good day, everybody. I miss y'all.